In this video, we're going to be going over a quick way that you guys can make sure you are activating your full lungs when you're doing your breath work. Welcome back to another video. My name is Dan and I help people ascend their life. And in today's video, we're going to be going over quick little technique that you guys can incorporate into your breath work, but also you can do this at any time during the day when you want to just get back into your body and take a full breath. This is going to be a technique that really helps you maximize the full capacity of your lungs and let you know that you are taking a full breath. And now here's the thing you have to realize. A lot of us were told that you have to breathe into the belly. You breathe into the belly first like this. Then breathe up, okay? Which is great. And that's a technique that I teach very often. It's a technique that I teach in my alkaline breathing, right? And it's a full body flow where what I really teach is a 3-part breath where it's belly, navel, chest, all tied into one movement like that, which is very powerful. But here's what we need to understand. When we get to the top part of that breath, for you to use your full lung capacity, it's not just a breath that's outward. It's a breath that is wide. See, the lung efficiency is delegated on the width, not only going outward. It's very hard for your lungs to go outward in this direction. Although it's easy for your belly, your lungs go wide. So while you breathe out with the belly, when your breath makes its way up, you need to focus on breathing out wide. And here's how we do that. I want you, whether you're sitting in your lotus while you're doing breath work, or you're just standing, or you're sitting watching this video, set your phone down. Put 2 hands right here on your lungs. So find your rib cage and make sure your hands are up above the bottom of your rib cage. Take your deep belly breath. Start with your belly going outward. And then when you get to the top, you can breathe fully in through your nose. Do your hands go out this way? That's going to be the marker of taking a full breath. So we'll do 3 here together. Fully exhale, fully in. Good. Now you'll notice that your hands started to go outward. And for me, another way that is a way that I know that this is working, not only are my hands going outward, but my shoulders are actually rising, which allows my diaphragm to expand. And I'm also breathing into the upper back of the lungs. That's something I also talk about to maximize the full lung capacity. So from the side, check this out. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Use this. Let me know if you use this. Let me know if you use this in your morning breathwork routine. These are all ways that we can optimize our breathwork practice. And also, if you're ever feeling anxiety throughout the day and you really want to get out of your mind, change your state, and get back into your body, try this. Just put your hands here and just take those full breaths, because you're going to feel it instantly. For me, it really grounds me back into my thoughts and into my body. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, hit that little bell notification, because I'm putting out videos every single day and I want you guys to get these tips. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.